Okay, so these are 3 of the 20 loops in Java. Uh, I have this one where I'm asked to display the numbers in reverse. Uh, Actually, it's just the first 10 natural numbers, but I did if an n, like the user types the amount of numbers in reverse. So if I run it, if I use the 10 that is asked, it should print the 10 numbers in reverse. But I can also make, for example, 15, and it works. And this is also the number. Write a Java program to display n terms of natural number and their sum. I have the scanner, ask for the numbers, the integer number that is read, the sum equal to 0, and this loop. We are printing the sum, like the sum plus what is repeating here. So if the total numbers is 5, it should be 15, or like in the example, here it's 7, should be 28. If I run it again, 7, 28. And this last one is number 10. Write a Java program to display the pattern like right angle, triangle with number. So if the program will ask the amount of rows that we want, and depending on that, we'll make the right triangle. If you ask for 5 rows, it will be another one here below the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So running it, I have example 5. There we have.